Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a URL redirect in Shopify. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com and click login up here to log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on content from the left panel, then click on menus just below it. In this new page, click on URL redirects from the top right corner. Then in this new page again, click on create URL redirect right here. In this new page, we have two fields here. In the redirect from field, type or paste here the link that you want to redirect your customers from. Then in the redirect to field, type or paste the link where you want to redirect your customers to. Lastly, just click on Save Redirect down here to save your changes. And that is how you can create a URL redirect in Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.